guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be going through everything in my closet and trying everything on and deciding what to keep, what to throw away, what to donate, or what to sell. Basically, I'm just going through my closet until I love everything. This was inspired by Alexandra Colleen on TikTok. I figured I would start out with pants because I don't have as many pants as I have tops. Right now, I have my favorite pair of pants on. They're from Abercrombie. They're the high-waisted straight, I think. I like them. These are my go-to jeans every day, so obviously I'm gonna keep them. Okay, these are from Cotton On. They're the straight stretch. I kind of forgot I had these. I can't tell if I like them or not. They're comfortable, so I'm gonna keep them. Yeah, these are a no for me. I'm not gonna keep clothes just because I hope they're gonna fit me later on. We're throwing these away. Wait. I don't know if the zipper's going up. I bought these because I can't wear ripped jeans at work, and I was like, oh, fun pants for work. Even though I've gained some weight, when these fit me properly, I could not sit down in them without them stabbing me, and these are just so uncomfortable. Yeah, these are definitely a no. The zipper, I know these pants fit. I literally wore them last weekend. I know these aren't the most flattering cut on me, but I like these for work. They're fun. I'm gonna keep them. These are the Abercrombie jeans that I wore at the start of the video in black, and I love these. These again are my favorite cut of jeans ever. They're so comfortable. Okay, these I'm like really torn about because I've been wanting cargo pants for so long, and like I always forget I have these. These are from Target, but I thrifted them, but I think it's not the cargo that I want, and I think it's really unflattering here. I've had them for about 2 years, and I don't think I've grabbed for them in the last year. So these are gonna be donated. It's not the most flattering here, and I don't really wear these anywhere but work, but with a like neutral sweater, it does add something fun. And again, I can only wear non-ripped jeans to work, so I feel like until I stock up on more jeans that I absolutely love, that I'm gonna keep these. These are the same pants as the green ones, just in brown. And I feel like these are a lot more flattering. I personally like these better than the green ones, so if I had to choose between the two, I would pick these. So I'm definitely gonna keep these. These are the same ones as the brown ones, just in black. I don't hate these, I really don't. So I'm gonna keep these. These are my only pair of white pants, and they're Levi's. They're Levi wedgies, I believe. And I struggled so hard to find a good pair of white jeans that wasn't see-through. And these just are so good. You can't go wrong with Levi's, so I'm obviously keeping these. These are the most comfortable jeans I own. They're Paige denim. They're a bit more low rise than I typically go for, but these to this day were my best bargain. They're originally like $170, and I got them for $30. So I'm keeping these. But I have not put on skinny jeans in years. I don't wear skinny jeans ever, and I don't plan to wear them again. These are from Cotton On. I don't know how I feel about them. I don't know how I feel about the wash. These will go in my maybe pile. They're very comfortable. Okay, I like this wash a lot better, so I think I'm gonna keep these for sure. That's all the jeans I have, so I think next I'm gonna do like skirts and other pants that aren't jean. Yeah, this is just not my style, and it's not flattering for that. This is a no. This is short, I'm not gonna lie. It's cute, it's just really short and like really bad quality. But like one little bend and like the cheeks are out. Okay, I think this is so cute. I like it. So I'm gonna keep it. This skirt from Cotton On. It's a basic black skirt. Can't go wrong, and I feel like you always need to have one in your closet, so I'm gonna keep this. My last skirt is a skirt from Target, but for a tight skirt, I don't usually like those on me, but this one I actually really like. And you can never have too many black skirts. It doesn't fit me, but I'm gonna keep it because my grandma just passed away, and my cousins went through her closet, and I found this skirt in it. And I think if I get it like hemmed, or even just if I like pin it, I think it's so beautiful. And like if I just pin it, like come on, that's so cute. This skirt I bought a year ago and never wore it. I'm gonna take it and use it as a cover up for the beach. Now I'm moving on to like pants that aren't jeans and skirts. So this looks very similar to this skirt I have, but they're pants. These are not my favorite, I won't lie, but they're for work. I got these off Depop. They're like kind of tight now. I plan on losing weight, and these are hard to come by, like finding good overalls, and I constantly wear these. Like I wear these a lot, so I'm gonna keep them, and if I don't lose weight by summer, then I'll toss them. But I'm not like putting pressure on myself, you know. I just don't want to throw them away because they're really hard to find. They're cute, they're fun. These are literally my favorite pair of overalls. They're Gap, but I got them at Urban. Okay, I just took a lunch break so I could get rejuvenated, and now I think I'm gonna do sweaters. So this sweater I wear more as like a cardigan, and I like it. I didn't really wear it that much this year. I don't know why. I'm gonna keep this. This sweater is from Old Navy. I really like it. I wear it all the time, so keep. I also wore this sweater a lot this year, so I'm gonna keep it. The only time I wore this sweater is for Valentine's Day at my preschool, so I might try to sell this because I don't like it, but someone else might. This one is see-through, so I typically wear it like when I'm wearing a black bralette and just like wear it with like jeans like this, super casual. I think it's cute. I like this sweater too with like light wash jeans like this. The only thing I'm not crazy about with this sweater is like this weird turtleneck, but like not turtleneck. I don't know. I still wear it and I like it. And I like that it's not too thick. So I'm gonna keep this. This sweater is a good layering piece, or even by itself. I get a lot of use out of it. So I'm gonna keep it. This one I'm really torn about because I don't think I like it, but it's a perfect red sweater for like the holidays, and I did wear this a lot during the holidays, but I feel like I could probably find a better one. I feel like I'm gonna keep it because I got use out of it, and if the holidays roll around and I have another one that I like, then fine. This sweater's like forest green. It's like the eyelash material. Is that what it's called? I don't know. Like I never really reach for this. This will be in my baby pile. Okay, I'm not even gonna like try to fix it because this sweater is like massively uncomfortable and itchy, and I don't like it. I have another green sweater that I really like. I just never wore it this season, and I think it's because it's a little cropped, so I couldn't wear it to work. I like this one better. I think I'm gonna keep this and get rid of the other one because this sweater is one that like I have to wear with leggings because it's so long. I'm gonna keep this because it's nice to have a sweater that I can wear with leggings, like when it covers my butt, because sometimes when I'm on my period I don't want to wear jeans. I got this sweater for Christmas and I haven't even like glanced at it. I just feel like it's such a weird color, like it's not my color, so I'm gonna get rid of this. I love this sweater. It's just a simple gray sweater, and I just got this year and I wear it, so I love this sweater. I wear it all the time. It's the perfect shade of blue. Like, are you kidding me? I love this sweater so much. It's so comfy, so I'm obviously gonna keep it. I also have this blue sweater. I'm gonna keep it. I think it's really cute. I love this sweater. I wear it as like a little off the shoulder moment with a strapless bra. It's so comfy, so yeah, keeping it. The brown one that I had, I also have it in gray. I love this. I wear it all the time. It's so comfortable. I mean, like, yeah, I wear this probably twice a week. It's a classic oversized black sweater. I love it. I know I'm not like a big fan of color, but there's something about this green that I am obsessed with. I wear this sweater all the time. It's from Cotton On. I'm definitely keeping. This is just not my style anymore, and it doesn't really fit me. It like falls and you see my bra, and it's like way too cropped to be a sweater. I don't know. I don't like this. This is when sweater vests were trending, and it's like not the ugliest thing in the world. It's just so big. Bad quality and like pills. So like, no. This to me just screams like middle school, early high school, Forever 21 weird design. I look like a rug. I don't like it. Like, I don't hate this. It's just I never wore it. Like, why do I need a green turtleneck? Okay, I bought this layering piece and I love this shade of pink. It just doesn't fit me well, and I'm not gonna wear this. I never did. I bought it and I never wore it. So this is just a little black knit cardigan. It's just like a basic cardigan. Like, you can't really go wrong with like a white shirt. Perfect. This is another cardigan, but it's like cropped. I feel like I'm gonna sell this one because it's too cropped. That's all my sweaters. I think I'm gonna take a break and do the rest later this week. So if I look a little different in the next clip, it's because it's a different day. Hello, it's day 2 of cleaning out my closet, and I think today I'm literally just have tops and dresses left, jackets maybe. And I also have shorts because I think I forgot to do that last time. Okay, I changed. I'm starting off with graphic or just not plain and basic shirts. So this is my oversized Halloween shirt. I like it. I literally only wear it for Halloween, obviously, but I'm gonna wear it because it's good for like holiday season shirt. This is from Cotton On. It says Bucking Broncos forward on it. It's a little more cropped than I typically would want, but also I wouldn't wear it with these pants. It's more of like a with shorts type of, although it's not bad. It's just like a little more cropped than I remember. I'm gonna keep it because it's cute and I feel like I'll get good wear out of it this summer. While I love this shirt, I think it's really cute. It does have a hole, and I literally bought it with a hole. I bought it from the outlet and I was like, ah, it's fine, it's not noticeable. But like, I shouldn't be buying clothes that have holes in them. I don't know, I'm just not gonna keep it. I think I'm gonna keep this. I think it's cute. I love the little flower detail on it. It's so good. I'm not a fan of the buttons. I think I like it. This shirt I don't love as like I'm gonna wear it, but it is super comfortable, so I think I'm gonna put it with my like pajamas. This is one of my 3 shirts that I wear when I go to Disneyland. It's my Monsters Inc. shirt. I got it off Amazon, but it's Disney, like Disney brand, so keeping it, obviously. This is my most recent purchase. I think it's so cute. It's from Target. It's just strawberry shortcake with her little friends. I love it. I love this shirt. I get compliments on it all the time. It says, be kind to yourself, which is so true. I wouldn't wear these. It's too cropped, but I do wear it with shorts. And if I find that I don't like it with shorts, I will get rid of these cropped, because right now I'm not feeling myself with crop tops. Okay, this is another holiday shirt. I literally just got it this year for St. Patrick's Day. I wore it because I needed a shirt for my preschool's little green day, so I'm keeping it. Here's my other Disney t-shirt. I love this one. I got this one at the actual park. I think this is cute. I love it. I wear it all the time, so I'm keeping it. I have mixed feelings about this one because I love it, but I don't like how it's tight here and it shows my bra, so I think I'm gonna sell this. This shirt gives me like Powerpuff vibes. I just feel like I'd never really wear this, so I'm gonna try to sell it. My next category of shirts are just like basics, like plain shirts. I really like the color of this and I like the neckline, so I'm keeping it. I wear with like yoga pants or with jeans just for work because again, it's like not cropped, doesn't show anything. And I really like the shade of this blue and I like the neckline, so I'm gonna keep it. This shirt I'm gonna give away. All right, in day-to-day life, I wouldn't wear this, but this is like a good work top. That's why I keep this top. And for like a businessy shirt, you know, like a work shirt, I think it's cute. This shirt I got sent to me from Parade. I'm gonna use it as a sleep shirt because I've never grabbed it. Again, day-to-day, I would not wear this shirt, but it works for work. This is the same shirt from Parade, just in white. And again, I think I'm going to use it as a sleep shirt. I only wear this with like high-waisted skirts and overalls, so I'm keeping it for that. This top is from Zara. I can never have too many black shirts. I'm going to keep it. I have not worn this yet and I've been dying to wear it. It's from Aritzia. I love this shirt. This is the Zara top that I had, just in white. Again, I think I'm just going to keep it. This is another work shirt. It's just basic, long, and I need it for work. This shirt is from Cotton On. I love the color of these. Super cute. Keeping. This is also from Cotton On. I think it's the perfect length for a basic, so I'm keeping this. This shirt is also from Aritzia. It's just so pretty and these shirts are so soft and so comfortable. This is the same shirt, just in white, and I got it a size down for a more tighter fit. I like this. Obviously I'm going to keep it. Okay, the last basic I have is that same top, just in black. Obviously I'm keeping. My next category is like my tank tops and tube tops and all that. So this summer I used it as like a top that I would wear to the beach. I'm going to put this like with that stuff. I don't really know what I was thinking when I bought this because it's so cropped, so I'm gonna sell this. This shirt is from Zara and I love it. It's gotten so much wear. I'm definitely keeping this. Obviously I'm not gonna wear it with this bra, but I didn't feel like changing. This is just a tube top. I love a good tube top in summer, so I'm gonna keep this. I love this top as well. It's from Cotton On. I feel like this is gonna have some mixed reviews, but I think it's cute. I think it's fun. I like it, so I'm gonna keep it. Here's another tube top that has like cinching. It's from Urban Outfitters. and I like it, so I'm gonna keep it. This is the same shirt, just in a little burgundy color, and I like this. I get so much wear out of it, so I'm keeping it. This top is just such bad quality and just like fits so weird, so I'm gonna be donating it. This tank top's really comfortable, and yeah, I'm gonna keep it. This is another tube top. It's from Cotton On. It's the same one as the black and white striped one, so I'm gonna keep it. This top is also from Cotton On. I just don't know how I feel about the keyhole. I'm gonna give it up because I don't like how, I remember I tried to wear it once and I got like body dysmorphia and hated it. And I'm starting to feel like that just being in it for a little bit. So I'm gonna donate it. I love this shirt so much, but I never wear it because of the holes. It shows my bra. A lot of my clothes I bought just like denying the fact that I had boobs. I wear this under overalls. I'm gonna keep this because this color I feel like really looks good on my skin tone and with my hair. So I'm gonna keep it to wear with my overalls. I love this shirt. I think it's so cute. I love the color. This is like my favorite shade of pink. But these shirts just don't work with bras. So I'm gonna keep this for a sleep shirt. This is like my go-to top in summer. I think it adds something to like a basic tank top. My last category for shirts are long sleeves. I like it, I wear it all the time. I think it's perfect length, so I'm gonna keep it. It's very see-through and just bad quality, so I'm gonna give it up. This shirt kind of looks like a pajama top, but I wear it to work because it's long enough, it covers everything. I like the stripes on it, but I don't like the buttons, so I'm gonna give it up. Okay, this shirt is like kind of see-through and it doesn't really fit my bra, so I'm gonna give this up. I actually don't know how I feel about this. I'm not really a fan of lettuce trims anymore. I do wear this with my cream overalls, so I think I'm gonna keep it just for that reason. This is the same as the white shirt with black stripes. I'm not a fan of the buttons, so I'm giving it up. This shirt is not the best quality, but I get my wear out of this. I love this shirt, so I'm gonna keep this. I put this on a couple weeks ago to wear it to work and realized that it's see-through and just stretched out and ugh. So I'm gonna give it up. I did not reach for this all winter long, but now that I'm wearing it, I think it's cute. I'm gonna keep it. I think it's cute. I only really wear this shirt as a layering piece, so I'm gonna keep it for that. I also just wear this shirt as a layering piece as well, so I'm gonna keep it. I bought this from Old Navy like a little bit ago and I don't like it. That is all for tops. I did have some downstairs in the wash, but obviously I wear those all the time, so they're gonna be keeps. Now it's on to dresses. This is probably my favorite dress that I have. I wear it all the time, obviously not with this bra, so I'm gonna keep it. This dress does hold a special place in my heart. I saw Harry Styles in it. I love the top half of this dress, but it is a little too long, so I'm gonna give it up. I love this dress so much. My only problem is that it kind of comes down a little bit. Tying it into my bra, I want to see if that works. I've seen that on TikTok. I feel like that actually might work. I feel like that worked, so I'm gonna keep this. This romper gets so much wear during spring and summer. I love it so much. I'm gonna keep it. This is my like I'm going on an interview dress. I'm gonna keep this because you never know when you're gonna need a little interview dress. This was my favorite dress. I got like one use out of it and it's so short. Well, I'm gonna give it up. Yeah, this is kind of morbid, but this is my funeral dress. It is see-through though, so I think it might be time to give it up. Oh, and there's like a fat deodorant stain. No, I'm giving this up. I was for Christmas 2 years ago. I think it's fun. It's like cute. I'll keep it just to see what rolls around next holiday. I like the idea and colors on this dress, but in reality it's just not my style, so I'm gonna sell it. I also have this black dress. It's really pretty, but wrap dresses don't really work with my boobs, so I'm gonna give this up. While I love a good maxi dress, this is just not my vibe, so I'm gonna sell this. I'm really mad about this dress because it's so cute, but it's too big on me now, so I'm gonna sell this. Let's just say this dress isn't supposed to be tight and I haven't even zipped it yet. Okay, this was my birthday dress for my 21st birthday. It's from Princess Polly, but I got it from Depop, so keeping it, obviously. Okay, my last category is shorts, so I'm gonna lower the camera so you guys can see them. I like these, they fit pretty well, so I'm gonna keep these for now. These shorts are also from Cotton On. I think these were like my most worn shorts last year, but I like them. These are like old Cotton On and they barely button, so I'm giving these up. I hate these. They're getting tossed. Okay, these were actually my most worn. I really like these. I'm keeping these. That's everything that's in my closet. I am getting rid of quite a bit. I have that whole pile right there is stuff that I'm getting rid of. I also have another pile over there from when I did the first part of this, so look out for that. I'm gonna try to put them on my Depop and Poshmark soon. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!